Are you ready to uncover the secrets to ensuring your relationship thrives and becomes official? By the end of this video, you will know exactly how long you should wait before making your relationship exclusive. An exploration into relationship exclusivity. In the intricate world of modern dating, reaching the stage of exclusivity can feel like a pivotal yet nerve-wracking moment. This transition is not merely about a mutual agreement to see no one else. It's about defining the trajectory of a more profound relationship journey. Have you ever found yourself pondering this topic, wondering when exclusivity should happen and why it holds such weight? You're certainly not alone. And today, we're embarking on an exploration of this significant milestone, unraveling the mysteries and motivations behind becoming exclusive, cultural shifts and changing dynamics. In the United States, the timeline for when a relationship should become exclusive has undergone notable changes. Traditionally, this milestone might have been reached within a few weeks, a testament to the more rapid courtship practices of the past. However, the current landscape, influenced by digital connectivity and global communication, often sees couples considering exclusivity around the 3-month mark. This shift is a reflection of how dating has adapted over time. For instance, a 2023 survey revealed that 48% of Americans believe that a relationship becomes exclusive after about 12 to 15 dates. If you factor in seeing each other weekly, this aligns closely with the 3-month notion. Yet, these figures are not rigid. They cater to individual circumstances and cultural diversifications. Some couples naturally find themselves spending more time together, thereby accelerating the exclusivity discussion. The role of technology cannot be understated in influencing these dynamics. The rise of dating apps has introduced a spectrum of possibilities and choices, prompting individuals to take more time to discern who they truly connect with before making commitments. Cultural normalities surrounding relationship exclusivity are not the only things you should consider. You also need to be in tune with your own emotional readiness. Deepening the connection. Understanding emotional readiness. One of the most vital determinants in deciding when to go exclusive is emotional readiness. It's about acknowledging your feelings and evaluating the depth of your emotional connection. Emotional readiness doesn't hinge on the number of dates you've had, but on how connected and committed you feel. The digital age, with its constant communication, has crafted a new dimension to emotional connection, allowing people to develop deeper bonds over shorter periods compared to the past. According to a 2022 study, approximately 72% of millennials reported feeling ready for exclusivity after pivotal emotional experiences like a shared vacation or a significant life event. Emotional readiness has evolved. It's less about time and more about shared experiences that foster deeper trust and understanding. However, achieving this readiness requires introspection and honest conversations with oneself about personal desires and expectations from the relationship. While emotional readiness is crucial, it's equally important to acknowledge the external pressures influencing your relationship journey. The reality of social influence. The decision to become exclusive is frequently colored by external influences, including friends, family, and ingrained societal norms. In today's interconnected society, many individuals feel a compelling pressure to label and define their relationships for social affirmation. Over recent years, this social pressure has intensified. Based on a 2023 report, 58% of young adults felt coerced by their social networks to make their relationships official online, regardless of whether they were personally or emotionally prepared. This phenomenon highlights a critical element of modern dating, balancing external expectations with personal readiness. Social circles can offer both support and unwanted pressure, potentially hastening the commitment process without considering individual readiness. It's essential to discern between genuine readiness for exclusivity and pressures stemming from social expectations. Understanding these external pressures leads us to the significance of recognizing personal milestones in deciding on exclusivity. Personal milestones and their role. Personal milestones can significantly influence the decision to become exclusive. Achieving a new job, moving to a new city, or reaching a personal goal can shape one's readiness and perspective toward commitment. Historically, personal achievements might have taken a back seat in the face of romantic aspirations. However, modern emphasis on personal development and growth has brought a shift. Today, people often prioritize reaching certain personal milestones before pursuing exclusivity in relationships. For example, a study conducted at Boston University found that 65% of recent graduates preferred establishing career stability before initiating exclusive romantic commitments. These personal achievements provide a stronger foundation upon which a committed relationship can thrive. As we consider personal milestones, another essential factor in this decision-making process is the clarity of mutual understanding and communication between partners. Mutual understanding and clear communication. Ensuring mutual understanding is paramount when deciding to make a relationship exclusive. This step isn't solely about shared interests or mutual attraction. It involves comprehensively understanding each other's aspirations, values, and future visions. Many couples invest time in open communication about their future goals from the outset. This practice fosters a strong relational foundation where both partners feel valued and heard. Recent data from 2025 indicates that 85% of long-standing successful relationships were formed on early discussions concerning future aspirations and shared values within the first few months. These discussions create a solid foundation for exclusivity, reducing the risk of misunderstandings and unmet expectations. However, mutual understanding isn't just about talking. It also involves actively listening to your partner's needs and addressing them together. The risk of moving too quickly. Arguably, one of the greatest pitfalls in relationships is rushing into exclusivity prematurely. Making this commitment too quickly can disrupt the natural progression of the relationship, leading to confusion and potential heartache. Premature exclusivity can create obligations, potentially causing individuals to feel trapped in commitments they are not ready for. This sentiment is echoed in the dating community, where many experts advise that letting the relationship evolve naturally can lead to stronger bonds. Relationships take time to develop, and just like a well-prepared meal, they should not be rushed. According to relationship coaches, a period of at least 4 to 6 weeks is often suggested before making a commitment, allowing both partners to truly assess their feelings and compatibility. As we consider the consequences of timing, let's also highlight the importance of transparent communication in relationships. Transparent communication as a cornerstone. Transparent and honest communication is essential when declaring intentions within a relationship. Both partners must be willing to articulate their desires and expectations in a clear and non-confrontational manner. This practice fosters an environment of openness and trust, allowing both individuals to navigate their relationship with confidence. Communicating about what exclusivity means to each person is vital for aligning expectations. For instance, discussing how exclusivity might change your relationship dynamics and what it will look like can help partners avoid assumptions and misunderstandings. In healthy partnerships, shared discussions about what it means to be exclusive can include topics such as increased emotional intimacy, sharing social circles, or attending family events together. In a nutshell, transparent communication equips couples to make informed decisions about exclusivity, setting up a solid foundation for their love journey. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love our exclusive content on 30 Days to Better Love. Transform your relationship. By the end of this comprehensive exploration, you now understand that the decision to become exclusive is influenced by various factors, including cultural shifts, individual emotional readiness, social pressures, personal milestones, and mutual understanding. Each couple's journey is unique, and what works for one pair may not suit another. Embracing individuality and having open, honest conversations with your partner can lead to a more meaningful journey toward exclusivity. Cultivating this awareness provides you and your partner with the insight needed to approach exclusivity thoughtfully. It ensures that taking this step is a mutually fulfilling and enriching experience in your relationship. It is crucial to remember that the journey to exclusivity is not merely about timelines or fitting into societal norms. Rather, it involves crafting a bond that is deeply rooted in shared trust and mutual respect. By understanding these nuances, you are empowered to create a stronger, healthier partnership. This makes the leap into exclusivity not just a decision, but a fulfilling experience that enhances your emotional connection and deepens your commitment to one another. It's about embarking together on a path that nurtures each other's growth and happiness. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Your support means the world to us, and we are excited to continue bringing you valuable insights and tips on nurturing successful relationships. Keep an eye out for our upcoming content that will surely inspire your romantic journey.